To complete your kitchen, round out the design features. Professional styled handles, dishwasher. This is our stainless front machine, ultra quiet, large capacity, nylon shelves, European type filtration system. And here's the unique feature for you, the dealer, and more importantly, the consumer. From now through the end of December of 2015, when the consumer buys that professional range, any Marvell full-size refrigerator, on the same ticket, you can give them this dishwasher at zero, absolutely free. Also, the unique proposition is this comes to you also at no charge to the dealer. So now you have an AGA Marvell kitchen, ultra quiet dishwasher, high performance range, extra large capacity refrigeration, all from AGA Marvell.